Any communion is a bond between the individuals and their relationships. God Himself is a communion. Communion of living relationship of persons. We can experience communion by offering our gifts received from God for the good of others. We can build communion by welcoming the originality and diversity of people. We can be a witness to communion by receiving the body and blood of Christ. Community experience means that I don't want to be self-sufficient, and I need another. Even God needed others to become a man and to live among us, even if He didn't have to.